Hi, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to cook chicken mole. The ingredients that you'll need are boiled chicken, peanut butter, chocolate chips, ground garlic, 1 chicken cube bouillon, 1 tomato sauce, paprika, pepper, cinnamon, garlic, onion powder, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and 1/4 cup of water. In a large pan under medium heat, add a tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Mix until the garlic are light brown in color. Now you'll add the boiled chicken. I used chicken breast for this recipe, but you can also use chicken tenders or chicken thighs. Then add the tomato sauce. Mix them until the chicken are well coated with sauce. Add the chocolate chips. And now add the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can also use almond butter for this recipe. Mix the ingredients again. And you can put the chicken last. I prefer to put it before because it makes the spices well coated in the chicken. Add the pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, chili powder. Then mix these ingredients. I will leave a detailed recipe information in my description for this video. Now you'll add 1 chicken bouillon. If you don't have a chicken bouillon, you can also use 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Then add the cinnamon powder. So as you can see, since the sauce is very thick, we will add 1/4 cup of water. Mix and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And here's the final result. Have it with a side of rice, black beans, quesadilla, and a fresh watermelon, and it's a great dinner for 2. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!